Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In that they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. In the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, yes, it's Thursday, June the 15th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the Sudoku with 1 star, the Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. So it's time now for the tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 6600. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 8 printed digits. Should be the hard one, because the hard ones has 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. And it's also indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Cannot see any single boxes here. I see here the dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Here also 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, triple box. I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Here also the inside box, 4 or a 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers remain, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Okay, more triple boxes? Nope. Quadra boxes. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Oh, wait. I see another triple box. The 1 is already given, so the other 2 puzzles, boxes should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. And the box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. Okay. Double check. Quadra boxes, no quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. We have only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 3. But we already have a 2 there, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. It's connected with that box, should be also a 3. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. Oh, no. We have a third one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. That's the question. Let me check. Here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Here, rotated. Oh, I see here another elf shape. Overlooked. Alright, let me continue with this one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The L shape, overlooked. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. By the way, we have here 4, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. But the questions still remain, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. We have here 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. So we have 4 and a 5 left here. That means that this box cannot be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 here, double 5 there. So the 4 and a 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there and a double 1 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. Then let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then let me think. This is a 2, okay. These 2 boxes, these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes. Oh, wait. No, not correct. Well. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 here in this area, so it can be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1. In this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 1, 2, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, come on. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box or that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 4 and the 5. Alright. Now. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Yeah, I need to think now. Think hard. The hard part. 3, 4, 5. Well, come on. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have here the 4 and the 5 here, okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Oh, we have a 1 here. So this can be a 1. So the 1, 4 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Okay. Come on. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. Oh, no. Could be a 4 here. Yeah, could be a 4 here. Need to wait. 1 or 4 here. Well, we go up. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5. This box can be 2. This is the hard one. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. This one is. Come on. Well, this box cannot be a 5 because if I place a 5 here, then these 3 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 should be there then, but we already have a 5 here. So this box can be a 5, can be a 2, can be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 is connected with that box, 3 or 4. Okay. So the 5 should be here then. Need a 5 here. Yeah, 3 and a 5. But this can also not be a 3. If I place a 3 here, then these 3 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 should be there, but we already have a 3 there. So it can be a 3. Should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. So I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. I've eliminated the 5, now the 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Okay, and now, these are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, but also those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 1 and a 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 down, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, although it has 8 printed digits. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow, Friday, last working day of the week. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.